So around 3 years ago, I had my first taste and tryst with the startup ecosystem. And we were told that in the first round, we have to give in an elevator pitch. Now, that was an alien terminology for me. Of course, it had been going on in the startup ecosystem for ages, but for me, it was something new. And still, when I was told that you have to talk about your business idea within 60 seconds, we just managed to do it. Some of our education and experience came in handy, and we managed to prepare a decent elevator pitch. But for the benefit of the novices, the evaluators, they gave 2 demonstrations of what an elevator pitch should be like. And all these people who had come into pitch, they were all graduates from elite business schools, one of the best business schools in my city and in the country. And yet, when the actual elevator pitches happened, after a half an hour break given to prepare and restructure your elevator pitches, they happened. It was a common observation by the evaluators that it's so difficult to talk about yourself and your ideas in a short span of time. That's the biggest challenge. And I would say that most professionals, when introducing themselves on any platform, struggle to make that similar impact if they are asked, tell me about yourself. Now, what is tell me about yourself? It is your opportunity to present your elevator pitch, to sell your brand. And if you are not able to do that, you might just lose a very, very important opportunity to impress your employer. So I would say that, can you practice brevity and introduce yourself in as less as 60 seconds to ensure that you have an audience who's keen to know more about you? Think about that.